Welcome to my birthday vlog, guys. So today is 11th April. In case you're wondering, I know you guys will watch this video on Ramadan, but just know that I filmed it way before Ramadan, like 2-3 days before Ramadan. So yeah, welcome to my birthday vlog. It's just gonna be dinner and cutting a cake and all that with family and friends. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm finally, not finally, I should be 20, but I'm 25, guys. I'm just so, like, years are going so fast, guys. I can't even believe it that I'm 25. Just like a week ago, I was saying I was 24, and I couldn't believe it. Now I'm 25. Guys, what's happening? So yeah, anyways, if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. And we are at Pizza Lounge, in case you are wondering. This is the family, like, private section that we are sitting in right now. And yeah, I'm just waiting for everyone. My balloons have arrived. A few other things are waiting to arrive. If you guys are wondering, these balloons are from the Inkbox on Instagram. So yeah, she's done an amazing job. And my cake is coming from Sweet Temptations, and a few of my desserts and all that. And we'll be having dinner over here. So I think I've talked enough, and yeah, let's get on with the video. People will ask me what I wore on my birthday, so I'm just wearing this very simple floral dress with a slit over here and these amazing shoes. Guys, you know I'm a shoe lover, and yeah, so this is my outfit. Very simple and very simple makeup. Actually, I didn't even have time to do makeup, but that's what I did. Yeah. Like, the birthday girl is here first with Aisha. We both literally have the same color lipstick today. We're like stunning. So these are the stunning balloons from the Inkbox. They are so pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love with them, like, literally. So it says the fabulous Sonia turns 25. You guys would have just mistaken and written 20 over there. So yeah, these are the balloons for now. We're waiting for others, and I love these. I love these. A little bit of a zoom in on the shoes. Look at the back. Just love the flowers. Extreme. Okay, don't look at the nails because I've not put nail polish. But yeah, the flowers, amazing. So this is the current simple setup. I mean, I'm 25, guys. What do you expect? Just a few balloons down, and my 25 foil balloon, and the main balloons. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Exactly. Some people are so into themselves. So this is a Jumbo Meat Deluxe. I love their pizzas here in Pizza Lounge. They're so delicious, honestly speaking. Last time I ate and I just kept on eating. Birthday girl gets the first bite. Yeah? So I'm eating, guys.
That wasn't a first bite.
For some reason, I love their pizzas. Just so good. And this is their KFC like burger. I'm so like, I just want to eat this, Aisha. The chicken, it looks delicious. And we have some delicious fries. Oh my god, they look so yummy. I just tried the chicken, and oh my god, you need to come and try the chicken, guys. It has like a different Indianish kind of taste, which is so good. You have to be in the video. Safwan, by the way, one thing, that chair is for you. That one right there, I kept it there for you.
Hi man, come.
Come in. Come in. If you're in your mask, it's sawa. Nobody will see you, bana. Guys, can you see him? Hi, I've stopped vlogging. I have stopped. Guess who's here? My baby doll. Come, I give you a kissy.
Let's say that in the video.
So, you're my cousin. Who said you look ugly when you're eating? Run away. Who's the chocolate for? Guys, I just dropped soda and she's literally cleaning with soda and she's doing this, guys. What? It's still gonna be sticky. And she keeps doing it. She bring water. She actually cleaned it, but it's gonna be so sticky. My delicious cake just arrived. Fabulous 25th Sonia. Mango and cream cake from Sweet Temptations. Okay, open it. I know, I'm so noisy. They are so noisy, it's true. But now even I'm noisy. What to do? Yeah. I can't survive without that charger. I can't survive without that charger. Take a video like. Wait 1 second. Let's. Yummy! Oh my god, this looks good. Okay, seriously, that wasn't good. Delicious desserts from Sweet Temptations. Woo! Yeah! So these are like cakesicles, donuts, eclairs, and pain au chocolat.
Pain au chocolat.
Pain au chocolat. Hi.
You guys are weird. What are you doing?
That's not me.
What are you doing?
Speak like that. Ah!
I will remove this one.
This one. Remove the cake down thing.
No, we just keep it in this. No. So if it's okay, the video. I'll take a nice picture for my snap as well.
Safwan, this pose. It looks like your t-shirt. Shh! Someone's singing for me. To you. Hi guys, so we're finally cutting the mango and cream. You don't want me to cut it? What are you doing? It's hard because it is in the fridge. So, we're ending the video here. We really enjoyed ourselves, guys, at Pizza Lounge, and me and my family and my friends and my cousins and everyone. It was a great day, and the food was good, the cake and everything was amazing. The balloons, whoever provided the balloons, whoever provided the flowers, whoever provided the gifts, thank you so much. Everything was perfect. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and we have nothing else to say except
We love you.
we love you guys, and
See
we'll see you guys
See you in the next one.
in the next one. Bye.